Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechSet Blog. My name is Surajit Basak and in this video tutorial we are going to build countdown timer for upcoming New Year Eve with Vanilla JS. Now let me open Windows PowerShell and I'm just going to my code directory and here going to create a new directory called countdown timer and going to this directory and open it with code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. And let me maximize this, and here I'm just going to create three new files. First one index.html, second one style.css, and third one script.js. And inside the index.html file we can give the title as countdown timer uh, new year 2021, and after that I can create a link element and use style.css and create a script tag with source, and here we just need to use script.js, and after that we need to use defer attribute. So actually it tells the browser, hey, don't wait for me, instead continue to process the HTML, then build the DOM and let me load in the background, and I will run all of my instruction of codes when the DOM is fully built. So browser will understand this defer attribute, and then we can go to our body, and here we just need to use countdown begins for new year, like this one. And here we just need to create a container, and inside the container we need to create four division element. So div timer uh, timer element, and then create four items. Okay, let me delete this. I can create this element, and after that we can create another division element with the id. The first one should be days, and class is bigger font or big text. Okay, and here I just need to use 0, and after that we can create a span element. Here we just need to use days, and let me duplicate this three more times, and then we can create this as hours, means, and we can make it as minutes, and then this one is seconds, like this one. And we need to open with live server. Okay, it looks like this. Now I need to close our sidebar. I can use this to right here, and we can use this to here, and I can slightly resize this. Okay, now we need our background. So before doing background we can go to the style.css file, and here I just need to use box sizing, which is border box, and for the body margin is 0, and the font family, let me say sans serif, and we can go to Google Fonts. So fonts.google.com, and we can use like mm, mm, we can use Lato. So for Lato, we can use regular 400, and we can have 700. Okay, and then we can use another font for category display. Okay, and I can type 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if I go, and we can use this one Langer, or this one. Let's see. This one also good. What about this cabin sketch, red rose? Okay, I can use this one for our timer. So it is only regular 400. So select this font, and we can use import. We can copy this and paste into our style.css file, top of this file right here. And for the body, we can use font family like Lato, sans serif, and after that we can use height 100 bh, and then display flex, and justify content center, align item center, save, and we can go and close it. We can have this one. So you can see this is not positioned as we expected. So we can make this as flex direction, which is I think column, like this one. And after that we can download our new year resolution image from Unsplash. So new year eve. Let me scroll down a little bit. I can use this one. Okay, open this, download, and I can go to code, then countdown timer, and make it as back and close it. And then in our body section, I can use background image, which is URL. So BSCK, this one. So you can see all of this is black because this is high resolution image. So use this. Now background size covered. Okay. Now background position center center. Okay, now here we just need to use a color which is white. Okay, now for the container we can use a display flex df. Okay. Justify content center, align item center, like this one. Now what else? So we need to make this h2 element little bigger. So h2 font size 2 rem. Okay, now we just need to use it to top. So margin top minus 2 rem, not like this one. So 4 rem, 6 rem, okay, like this one. Now for this thing we can use big text like font size 6 rem. Okay, and then can go to our index.html and we have this timer element. So the timer element text align center, not tsc, save. Okay. Hmm. Now we can use margin right 2 rem. Okay, for our big text we can use family font family, which is I think this one. So this one, or you can use monospace, save. Okay, you can look this one. So after that we can go to select the span element inside timer element. So font size 2 rem. No, this not. I just need to make it as 1.5. Okay, this looks better. Now, yeah, but we can choose flex wrap. So whenever it goes down little bit, it should be wrapped. Okay, now let me do something. Font size 6 rem. If I make it a 7 rem, make it a 6 rem at first. Now we need to work on our JavaScript file. So for this, we need to create a string first. So if I use let new year, new date, and then here you can use 1st January 2015, not 2021, like this, and console log new year, save. And now if I inspect, you can see Friday January 1, 2021. And the interesting thing here, you can change it to 01/01/2021, save. You will see this is same again. Also you can use MySQL format 2021 0101. Save. Same thing. So we can change it to 1st January. If I make it as 1st January, should it be done? Okay, you can see this is also recognizing this, so you can make it as 1st January 2021. Now you need to create a function. So const begin countdown, like this. Now let current year. We are using this current year as date inside this function, because if we create this current year as new date outside of this function, you will not see the changes in seconds. So we are going to create this variable current year inside this function. Okay, now let me make let diff equal to current year minus new year. Okay, now let me see the difference. So console log the difference, and we can call begin countdown. Save. Okay, we need to subtract this current year from new year. So I have made this mistake. So this one. So you can see the difference. Now, as it should be counting down from the date, so we can use the set interval. So after this, we can use set interval. Okay, not this one, set interval, and we can use begin countdown with 1 second interval, or you can use 500 milliseconds. So you can see the difference right here. So it is showing us this difference in millisecond. So we need to convert this in second at first. So we need to divide this. Let me make it as total seconds. Okay. Now div divided by 1000, and if we change this div to total seconds, you can see it gives us the decimal point with fraction with 3 decimal points. So we need to make it as a math.floor. So we can use the math.floor here, but for this we can calculate let dates. So we can use math.floor. So for the day we need to calculate it with total seconds divided by 3600, which is dividing by 1 hour and then 24. Okay, now if I save and use this days, save this, you can see we have 4 days remaining. So if I search from here, that is like days until new year. So 5 days it says, but we are getting 4 days. So I think it's showing us like mm, approximate year days. So let me close it. So we can fix this later. Now we need to calculate our hours. So to calculate hours, it should be, we need to divide it with 3600, and we need to get the remainder. So math.floor total seconds divided by 3600, and we need to get the reminder by 24 and hours. Save, and we can resize this little bit. You can see 4 days 19 hours. Okay, now here we just need to calculate minutes. Math.floor total seconds divided by 60 and modulus 60, and if I use minutes, so we have 4 hours 9 sorry 4 days 19 hours 5 minutes, and for our seconds, so seconds should be math.floor total seconds uh, modulus 60 and then seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 459. Okay, it's working fine. Now here we just need to go to our index.html. So you have seen this, we have this days, hours, minutes, seconds. You can copy this and inside the script you can paste it here. Okay, now let days, copy this thing, and then document dot get element by id, this one, and dot uh, inner text, or we can use inner html. So not this one, I think I should use this. We just need to grab this element to feed our data. Okay, so right here we can use days dot inner html. We can use inner text or inner html. Let me make it as inner text. So inner text is days. Okay, now so as we have made this as, so it should give us an error. So let's see if this gives us an error or not. No. So days dot inner text, if I reload it, it's not giving us an error, but it's not displaying also. So text content, I'm not sure what is going on. So it's still 0. We can make it as days element. Okay. Now if I use this one, so you can see we have this 4. So copy this thing and paste it. Dot text content hours minutes, seconds, not this one, sorry. You can copy this to right here. Okay, save this. So you can see we have this. So as you can see, all of the digits, when it's 1, we are going to add, we are going to prefix 0 with the single digit and make it double digit. So we need to make another function which is a const. What should we have? Format or pad? Okay, pad. Okay, we can pass this like time, and here we just need to pass return. You can use ternary operation, or you can use if and else statement. It doesn't matter. So if time is greater than 10, or we can make it as less than. So at first, if time is less than this one, so we're going to use template string 0, and then this one with time, else we're going to use this time. Okay, now everything we just need to wrap this. So here, pad this one. So if it changes to a single digit, so let me see. You can see the 0 prefix right here. So load. I think it should work. Now if I see our let's see, days, hours, minutes, seconds until new year. 4/18/50. Okay, let's see. Date. It's exactly working as it is. This is the tutorial for countdown of our new year. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming video tutorials. Don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.